Today our video is on our overnight experience at the Anaheim Desert Inn & Suites. We booked an executive room with 2 queen beds and a sleeper sofa. The best thing about this property is its proximity to the park, which is about 4/10 of a mile or roughly around a 7-minute walk to the front gates of Disneyland. If you're unfamiliar with the area, we'll link our walking video in the description below.
Up next is staff and service. Upon check-in, the staff was super friendly, really prompt, and answered all of my questions.
While Krista was dealing with checking in, I dealt with the valet. There is a self-parking option at the hotel, but when that fills up, you must valet your car at no additional cost. Just remember to bring a few dollars for tip money for the valets. When checking out, look at your ticket that the valet gives you, and there's a number on there that you can text to get your car out. I recommend texting that number 15 to 25 minutes early. As I did not do this, it took me some time to get my car out from valet.
After our stay, they did email us a survey and we filled out the survey. And we have to say we were really impressed with their customer service because they contacted us about some of the issues that we had with our room. And we'll make sure to tell you guys what those issues were. But we were just really thankful and appreciative that they actually followed up with us about our stay.
There's also a fireworks viewing area which we did not get to experience. We normally recommend always staying on the top floor in a motel, but because of the fireworks viewing area, we've read a lot of TripAdvisor reviews where people complained about people walking on the roof, dragging chairs along, and so there's quite a bit of noise if you happen to be below that fireworks viewing area.
Moving on to the inside of the room. So the particular room we had, it is dated, and the carpet did feel a little bit worn. And that leads right into the cleanliness of the room. Right when we walked in, we could smell, we couldn't tell if it was a deodorizer or maybe what chemicals they used to clean the room, but you could smell it. It wasn't overbearing, it was noticeable, but nothing too bad. The second thing we noticed right away was a stain on the sleeper sofa, and then we pulled out the desk chair to set a backpack down, and that also had multiple stains on it, and the desk itself had a sticky stain. So right off the bat, I thought, oh no, but the rest of the room was actually very clean. The bathroom was spotless, the sink area was super clean, and all the bedding was clean as well. The sheets and everything was really clean. It was only a couple of issues right when we walked in.
Room comfort. We'll start off with the sleeper sofa. Our son slept on the sleeper sofa and he said he had a really good night's sleep. He had no complaints about it. We picked one of the queen beds and the bed was worn out. When we both got in, we kind of both slid towards each other, and Crystal described it as sleeping in a taco. And that was probably the best description I can give it. It was not very supportive. The other thing, there were only 3 pillows per bed. I was okay with the pillows, but Crystal's very particular with pillows and she has a sensitive neck and it bothered her. And so she recommends, if you're particular, bring your own pillow. This is a motel and there's going to be noise from cars outside, people milling about, and that's normal for this hotel. So if you are sensitive to noises, we always recommend bringing a sound machine. In our case, we played some sleeping music on Spotify and it was perfect for us.
Up next are the amenities. Wi-Fi is included in the price of this room. They also have an indoor pool and spa area. Right now, as of October 2021, they have a grab and go breakfast option, and we talk in detail about that breakfast option in our room tour video.
Who would want to stay here? We think this is a great hotel for budget-minded large families. There are many different room configuration types and they can handle large groups. Additionally, people who are looking for a place to sleep, shower, and be at the park all day, this is perfect for you. This is one of the cheapest places consistently on Harbor, and we think those people who are budget-minded and want to stay close to the park, this is also a perfect place for you to stay. If you missed our room tour video, we'll link it right here, and if you have stayed at the Desert Inn & Suites, leave a comment below. Let us know how your stay was. Thank you so much for watching.